Okay, good swing. Keep your head in. Yeah, bad up, elbow up. Get out in the field, son, now. Get him over there and keep running. There you go. Field it. Touch first. Right there's fine. Okay, get the bat up. Come on. Bat up, do it again.
I want you to get over there with the bat.
Yeah, same thing.
Right next, get loose on the swing, get loose.
There you go. Now look. Keep something different. Keep this back foot still. You keep that back foot still, that ball's going to go. Okay? Move your front leg in a little bit. There you go. Elbow up, chin tucked, you're ready. Hey? See about keeping that foot still? Elbow up, get good. Elbow up, bat up. There you go. Good throw.
A lot better.
You threw like your sister. Well, I can't say that because his mom throws pretty good. She plays softball. Come on, pay attention to him, not me, buddy. There you go. See, this is good. It's your first time hitting and you only got 3 balls past you. That's good. As long as you're making contact, it'll come. Elbow up. Bat up. No. Bad pitch. Come on. Do you know what you did wrong there? Everything. Your elbow was down, bat was down, use your back foot. Come on. Elbows down, buddy. Elbow up. Here. Step out and take a break. Step out. Take a breather. Now get your feet back in the right spot. Get your feet where they need to be. No. This foot right here. Right here. See how my feet are? Square with the pitcher. I'm 100% square with the pitcher. Square with the pitcher. Elbow up. Bat up. Bad pitch. Good eye. Now watch. Elbow up. Bat up. See the difference? When you do everything right, what do you do? Yep, exactly. Keep running. Elbow up.
Get John running first.
Listen to me.
Ready?
Go! Go to second, Sean. Go to second. Keep running, Doug. Keep going. Come home. Here, home. Good hit. Way to go.
Sean!